I think the AI will change the way to work in enterprises. AI has the potential capabilities for that. We want to fill the gap between the potential and the real work.
Hello and welcome to Startup Passport by Econsulate in collaboration with Takeoff Tokyo. Today, I'm joined by Shibata Naoto, CEO of Squadbase. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
I would love to hear a little bit more about yourself and Squadbase.
Okay, I'm Naoto Shibata, CEO from Squadbase. Squadbase is a platform to host a AI-based web application in a private environment. And we help developers to deploy their AI-based application with just integrating with the GitHub, and it very effortlessly, and the more AI app is coming out, the more the harder to deploy their apps with authentication, access control, and others.
Could you give a use case? So,
Okay.
what kind of company would benefit from it, or a company that has used it?
Okay, so in some enterprises, developers are creating the AI application like chat application and other image generation and other things. But after developing, they have a hurdle to share the app to their teammates. To share the application, they have to build access control and authentication. But now we have a coding agent such as Cursor and GitHub Copilot. So the coding is becoming easier, but hosting is still harder for the non-developers and initial developers. So we are providing our product to that kind of people and developers.
Was there a reason that you started this? Was there a gap in the market, or was this an issue that you faced yourself that led you to develop Squadbase?
Actually, one year ago, we are providing a no-code-based product with the large language model for data analytics and AI-based dashboard service. But we noticed that in enterprises, people want to use code to create a dashboard and their application because of the large language model make it easier to build that kind of things. So we have decided to pivot to this area, and where the developers have a lot of tasks to finish building that kind of internal application. So after communicating with the potential customers, our existing customers, we find that the problem in their circumstances.
So
that's why.
You realized that they had to make changes anyways, so you pivot to something that everyone needed.
Yes.
And everyone faced the same problem.
Mm-hmm.
Not
everyone.
A lot of clients had. Could you share another example about maybe non-enterprise? How about a smaller company who want to integrate it into small to medium into their workflow? Could you share how that would work with Squadbase?
Mm-hmm. In a startup and small medium businesses, people. The LLM helps them to decrease the number of team, so they want to start using the LLM and AI to be more efficient work. But there are few developers who are familiar with the cloud infrastructure and security. So they're starting to use Squadbase.
Awesome. Now, I want to get your thoughts on the future a little bit, looking forward. How do you think companies will, well, for example, using Squadbase and AI in general, how do you think the relationship will change between companies and their data? Do you think every company is going to use it? Are we going to? Well, I would just like to hear your thoughts on just the market trend, or at least within your niche, on how you think it's going to change.
I think the AI will change the way to work in enterprises and to handle the data in enterprises. But AI has the potential capabilities for that. But now we cannot still do that. So we want to fill the gap between the potential and real work. So yeah, so there are lots of many hurdles in that gap. So yeah, and I think yeah. Everyone wants to use AI and data, but data is very dangerous. The security things and the privacy is everyone concerning about. So our product is making them not concerned about it.
So it's just to provide a way for people to feel safe and for people well, especially in Japan where privacy laws are quite strict. It's enforcing that.
Mm-hmm. And building authentication and building security things allows them not concerned about it.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming here today, sharing more about yourself and also Squadbase. And we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.